Well, hello, LiveGood family. What an exciting week we've had. So I'm going to make this real short and sweet. You've all heard from me so much, maybe too much. But I want to take this opportunity to bring to you one of my dearest friends. Oh my gosh, known him for 22, 23 years, met him through this amazing industry. And our CEO, Mr. Ben Glinsky. Ben has been my buddy for God knows how long. We've had the privilege to be involved in this industry, starting from just being reps out there, sharing the opportunity and the products with loved ones, and, being blessed to grow to ownerships and consulting and opening some of the largest companies in our amazing industry. And now with LiveGood, our new mission is to help the masses to become healthy, stay healthy without going broke. So with that, I wanted to ask Ben to come on because he's the author of our compensation plan. And a lot of you are asking, where is the money in this compensation plan? Because our goal is to, as I mentioned earlier, to help the masses to get healthy and stay healthy using the most amazing products on the planet without going broke every month. And we all know it's so important to be able to just stay healthier. So, and you also want to be rewarded for it by sharing that idea to other people. So there is definitely an amazing compensation plan in here. And like I said, Ben is going to go ahead and break it down for you. We're not fancy people. He's pretty direct to the point. So again, ladies and gentlemen, my dearest friend in the world, the CEO of LiveGood, Mr. Ben Glinsky. Ben, take it away, brother.
Thanks, Nodder. For those of you guys who don't know Nodder, this guy is just the best. I mean, he's all around awesome. Good people. You guys will get to know him. We're not here to talk about Nodder, though I do appreciate all the nice things he said about me. We are here to talk about the LiveGood compensation plan. So let's get into it. So we are paying out on our $9.95 a month membership. Obviously, when you got a $10 a month product, you're not going to be able to pay out as much as, say, an $80 or $100 a month auto ship or order, like other companies in the network marketing industry do. And we're not taking anything away from those companies. A lot of those companies have incredible products that are worth every penny. And we've actually modeled several of our products off of some of the highest quality products in the industry. And as you know, we've created some of the best products ever, but we don't want to sell them at a 6, 7, 8 time markup because people can't afford them. And what happens is people don't continue to buy them. And, Nodder and I have had the opportunity to own multiple companies, consult with multiple companies, run multiple companies' back-end software systems. So we get to see the actual numbers, how the compensation plans work, how they pay out, how many people are enrolled by each person, how long people stay on the product, all that stuff. So that's important data to be able to see, to be able to know what works and what doesn't work. And what we've noticed is the average person stays on a product for about 2.8 months. We'll say 3 months. So you're going to get paid on that person for 3 months on average. And you're always going to find examples of people who have been using a product for years. In fact, I've got my E3 right here, one of my favorite products on the planet that we created, I think about 4 years ago, that I've been using every single day. But a lot of other people have loved that product and remember that product and used that product, but they didn't want to continue to pay $60 for it every time, but they'll pay $18 and it's worth $60. I've been, using it, but they'll pay $18 for a long time. So the question is, would you rather get paid a little bit more on a product for 3 months, or would you like to get paid a little less on a product that someone's going to continue to use for 5 years, 8 years, 10 years, maybe the next 20 years because they can afford it, because they need it, because it's helping their health and they're getting what they need. And that's exactly what we created this company for. So the way the comp plan pays out, it's very simple, very straightforward. It's very generous for considering it's a $10 a month product. The first month, when you enroll a new person and they decide to become a LiveGood member, whether they choose the $9.95 monthly option or the $99.95 yearly option, we pay out on the $10. So if they go the yearly, we actually spread that out over 12 months. So it's like they've paid $120. It's like they've paid $10 a month for 12 months the way that we're paying out. So we're actually paying out more on the yearlies than the monthlies, if that makes sense. So on the monthly, either one, when they sign up, you are going to earn a 50% commission on that $10 that first month. So you're going to get $5 when that person enrolls. If they decide to become an affiliate for a one-time $20 fee, you get 50% of that $20 as well. We're actually paying out, you can add up the numbers in the comp plan. You could find it by clicking on Earn by Sharing. You scroll down to the bottom of the main site. I believe it's on the bottom of the back office as well. Click on Earn by Sharing. That is our affiliate compensation program. You could see it, you could add up the numbers. We're paying out up to 80% on that first order, both of the memberships as well as the affiliate $20. So the affiliate $20 is really just to help you guys make a little bit more money in the compensation plan and reward the people, or give the people who want to make money an opportunity to do that. So as you advance in rank, and we put the rank advancement page on there as well, you will be able to earn deeper levels. So when your people share the products and the opportunity with others, they're going to earn the 50%. You're going to earn the next level, 10%, and then so on and so on. So you go bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. You can see that once you get diamond, you get paid down 10 levels in your organization, and each person you enroll starts a new leg. It's a basic unilevel compensation plan, very simple, very generous, very easy to understand, and very fair. And that's why we decided to go with this kind of comp plan instead of, say, a binary where, you know, maybe you get lucky with one leg being built, maybe you get on the inside leg and you don't. A matrix where maybe you get some spillover, maybe you don't. This way, you get rewarded for what you do, for the people you share the opportunity with and what they do. And you know, we believe it's the most fair compensation plan in the industry. And keep in mind, we didn't design this company to be a network marketing company initially. We designed it to help people be able to get the best products that their bodies absolutely need that they haven't been able to in the past because they haven't been able to afford them. So that's the primary focus. And if you can make a few $100, a few $100,000 would be great, a few $1,000s a month by sharing it with others, that's what this company is about. Because, you know, we get to see the statistics, and again, you know, more than 97% of people don't even make enough to cover their monthly auto ship in most companies. And here, you're saving more than you're going to be spending anyway. So that's always a positive thing. So that's the first way you get paid. Secondly, every month that they continue to pay their $10 membership, you're going to get paid according to the pay plan. You're going to get less. We're not paying out 80% on every month. The company needs to be able to run itself and pay for our employees, our shippers, our customer support staff, and be profitable. So we're paying out, it's still very generous, 10% every single month on every membership on your personal enrollees, and again, down to 10 levels as you advance in rank. The next way is the retail commissions. Now, I'm going to give you an example. So we're paying out on the difference between the member price and the non-member price if one of your referrals decides not to become a member but still wants to buy the product at the retail price. So let's take our daily essentials pack, for example, $39.95 for non-members. 3 products for $40. Most companies, you don't even get 1 product for $40. So 3 products for $39.95 as the non-member price. The member price is $24.95. The difference, 39 minus 24, is $15. So that $15, instead of just the 10 for a member, goes into the compensation plan. So if it's the first order, you're going to get 50% of that 15, which is $7.50. Next month, you get 10% of that, which is $1.50 on that person's order if they decided to order it again. So hopefully that makes sense. Last but not least is our bonus pool. Once you achieve the level of diamond, we want to include you in total company revenue and profits, because we want to thank you for helping share the business, helping build the business, the company, and get the word out there. So once you hit diamond, you're going to get paid on every single order of every single person in the entire company, whether they're in your organization or not. On top of that, we've left some room, and as we grow, the margins get a little bit bigger. We do plan on having an additional rank. I don't want to tease you guys too much about that, but it's a fun compensation plan. You know, again, if you can make enough to buy your products every month, that's a win. And if you can make a few extra $100, a few extra $1,000 on top of it, that's even better. So hope that made sense. Tried to keep it short, went a little bit long. Nader, I'll turn it back to you to close it. Have an awesome day, everyone. And if you have any questions, definitely reach out. If you haven't tried the products, get them. They're amazing. And, every single product we created was a product that we feel people needed. I mean, Ryan and Lisa are just geniuses when it comes to health and fitness. You could see by just how they look that they are just poster children of health and fitness, and just really great examples of eating right, being healthy, supplementing correctly, and we're really proud and excited to have them on board. So get these products, use these products, share these products, and we'll see you guys at the top. Back to you, Nader.
Hey, Ben, thanks a lot, brother. I've been like watching you and just going back and forth. It's just going back and forth. It's so amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, you just heard our CEO. It's time to just really, truly help the masses to get healthy without going broke. So I just want to share one little thing with you that, Ben kind of brushed over it. The brilliance behind it. Yeah, and the camera kind of got crooked because I was so excited about what it was saying. They earn by sharing button being in the bottom. Unlike some other companies that always flash the money, we believe in our products so much that we know if you help people get healthy without going broke, they're ultimately going to ask you, is there any way I can share this with others that maybe make some money? I know a lot of unhealthy people. I know a lot of people that health can get better. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Live Good. Now you know where the bone is buried. Let's go out there and help people to get healthier, to stay healthy without going broke. God bless. Thank you, Ben.